Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to create more interesting designs by placing photos inside different shapes? Canva Mobile makes it easy to add frames and customize your designs with just a few taps. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add frames in Canva Mobile on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. You can open an existing design project or create a new design project. For this example, I'll create a new design tab video. Then choose the design type you want to use. Next, select a template to continue. Once the editor opens, tap on an empty area of the design, then select Elements, choose Frames. Canva will display different frame styles that you can use in your design. Tap the frame you want to add. You can resize and adjust the frame based on your preference. To add an image or video inside the frame, tap the frame and choose the media you want to use. Adjust the position and size until it looks the way you want. Once you're finished, tap the checkmark icon. The changes will be saved. To save your design, tap the upload icon. You can choose share or download. For this example, I'll select download. The download screen will appear. You can choose a file type and quality setting or leave the default settings as they are. Then tap download. Canva will begin downloading your design. And that's how to add frames in Canva Mobile on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.